Singasari Kingdom. Singasari Kingdom is a Hindu kingdom that grew in East Java. Singasari stands to replace Kadiri when Ken Angrok invaded Daha and defeated Kertajaya. This kingdom grew into a strong empire and expanded its mandala horizons to Malay, Tumasik and Pahang. Singasari also spread influence to South Sulawesi and Maluku to control the spice trade from the east. The existence of Singasari that was so big gave rise to threats from outside, namely Mongols, and from within, namely descendants of Kadiri rulers. At this time, both biblical accounts and archaeological remains can be read much more clearly than in previous periods. Location and founder of Singasari Kingdom. The Singasari Kingdom is located in East Java, centered in Kutaraja or Tumapel. Tumapel is a regional kingdom belonging to Ken Angrok, which he got after defeating Akuwu Tunggul Ametung. After defeating Kertajaya and Ganter, he entered the Kadiri region as part of the Tumapel or Singasari Kingdom. Singasari Kingdom. The founder of this kingdom was none other than Ken Angrok, using the name of the coronation of Sri Ranga Rajasha. He started the Rajasha Waisa, which ruled not only in Singasari but until the end of the golden age of the Majapahit kingdom. King Singasari 1. Ken Angrok 1222 to 1247. Ken Angrok was the first king and founder of Singasari with the title of Sri Ranga Rajasha after defeating Kertajaya from Kadiri. Some sources claim that he came from the common people and not the elite. However, his name is clearly recorded in the Balawi inscription, Marabang inscription, Kuzmala inscription, and Hila Manoring inscription. The Paranashan and Nagarakar Dagama books also record it clearly as the ancestors of the king Hayam work. Ken Angrok was married to Candice, who later gave birth to, among others, Inusapati and Mahisa Wangatele, while from Kenumang, Kertajaya was born. These three children later became important figures in the history of Singasari Majapahit. Ken Angrok started the Rajasha Waisa, which would rule until the end of the Majapahit period. Inusapati 1247 to 1248. Inusapati is the son of Candides and Akuwu Tunggul Ametung. Remembering Ken Angrok married Candides after killing Tunggul Ametung. Feeling revenge for his father, he then killed Ken Angrok through a reasoning agent. He ascended to the throne around 1247. But he was only in power for about a year when the news of Ken Angrok's murder was heard by his other sons. Kertajaya felt unacceptable and killed Inusapati. Nusapati was practiced at Kittle. Now his legacy is in the form of Kittle Temple in Malang. 3. Tojaya, 1248. Kenji Tojaya ascended the throne to replace Nusapati, but he only reigned for less than a year. When there was a rebellion launched by the Rajasha and Sinlir who invaded the palace, Tojaya had fled to Kadiri but died from a spear wound he got. The name Tojaya is not mentioned in the Nagara Kertajaya. One reason could be due to the Rajasha rebellion earlier, so that he was not considered the ancestor of Hayam Warwick IV. Visnuvardhana 1248 to 1268. Rangawani ascended the throne to replace Tojaya with the title Sri Jaya Visnuvardhana. He ruled with Mahisa Kampaka, grandson of Ken Angrok and Ken Deeds. Visnuvardhana reigned for a long time in a period of peace for about 20 years. Only Visnuvardhana bequeathed the throne directly to his son, namely Kertajaya. Information about Visnuvardhana apart from the Paranashan and Nagara Kertajaya books is obtained from copper inscriptions in Kedu issued by the king of Kertajaya 5. Kertajaya 1268 to 1292. Kertajaya is the last and biggest king in Singasari history. He expanded the Singasari mandala horizon to the west through the Pamalayu expedition in 1275, conquering Malay, Tumasik and Pahang, followed by defeating Bali in 1284. The entire island of Java was under Singasari rule, although it was not conquered militarily. Kertajaya also formed an alliance with the Champa Kingdom. This greatness of power caught the attention of the Mongol emperor who was reaching his heyday. He sent representatives to ask Kertajaya to submit to the Mongols. Kertajaya refused, and returned the envoy in a disabled state, thus inviting the Mongol invasion of Java. But before the troops arrived, Kertajaya was attacked by the king of Kadiri, Jayakadwang. This attack occurred as Kertajaya expanded its influence to various places to rival the influence of the Yuan dynasty. Jayakadwang is a descendant of Kertajaya who holds a grudge against Rajasha. So he attacks when Singasari is off guard and reinforces Kadiri. Political life. The Singasari Kingdom was filled with power struggle intrigues. Since Ken Angrok killed the king of Kadiri, Kertajaya, and Ganter, the change of power has never been carried out peacefully. Only when Visnuvardhana replaced the dead Tojaya did he transfer the throne to his son Kertajaya. Under Kertajaya, the political banner of Singasari was flown over the Malay Peninsula, throughout Java, East Sumatra, Kalimantan and South Sulawesi, Bali, and the kingdoms of Southeast Asia. His political ambitions are huge but also have great respect for his ancestors from the Rajasha dynasty. Singasari, like Kadiri, has a tug-of-war relationship with local kings. Economic life. In the economic field, there is not much explanation about how the Singasari people operate in the economic sector. However, the position of the capital city of Singasari and Kutaraja or Tumapel, which is in the interior, shows that the center of the settlement has moved inward. Compared to the Kadiri center in Daha, and the Modular center in Tumapel is far from the Brantas River. Even so, the exploration activity by sea continues. So it means that trade activities by sea can take place even though it is not close to the capital. Most rural communities are likely to be farmers or breeders, while residents of river and coastal areas are traders. Singasari used gold and silver coins in addition to the barter system to drive the economy. Social life. Singasari people, especially the highest class, adhere to Hinduism and Buddhism syncretically. For example, in Pasuruan there are circles who adhere to the Shiva Buddhist religion. Kertajaya itself is a Tantrayana Buddhist, although many of its ancestors are Hindus. This is different from the previous kingdoms, which were more rigid in religious matters. Singasari kings also gave blessings to certain regions several times for their loyalty. For example, the Japan and Kadiri region, which were awarded by Vishnu were Daha. The collapse of the Singasari Kingdom. The Singasari Kingdom collapsed due to the attack of Jayakatwang, a descendant of the king of Kadiri, Kertajaya, who controlled bracelets. It was 1292. When Kertajaya was busy expanding its influence across the archipelago to rival the influence of the Yuan dynasty. Domestic conditions weakened, and Jayakatwang took advantage of it and attacked Singasari and killed Kertajaya. Jayakatwang crowned himself as the ruler of Kadiri, continuing Kertajaya and ending Singasari's rule. Although Wangsa Rajisha would regain power through raiding the Jaya, it was not on behalf of the Singasari Kingdom. Heritage of the Singasari Kingdom. Most of the relics of the Singasari Kingdom are in the form of temples, where this temple functions as a place of religious worship as well as a place of tribute to important royal figures. The temple during the Singasari Kingdom had more complicated aesthetic features than the Kadiri era. 1. Kadiri. Kadiri is located in Pandan, Prichet, Pasuruan Regency, East Java. Jawi Temple was built by Kertajaya to assert its power in the Pasuruan area, which is inhabited by Shiva Buddhists. Meanwhile, Kertajaya is a Buddhist of Tantrayana. Jawi Temple is also suspected of being the place for Kertajaya's ashes, although only partially. Some of the others are placed in Singasari Temple. 2. Singasari Temple. Singasari Temple is located in Singasari, Malang, East Java. This temple is estimated to have been built in 1300 to commemorate the king of Kertajaya who died as a result of a Jayakatwang attack in 1292. This temple is also a site visited by Hayam Warwick in commemoration of his ancestor Wangsa Rajesh III. Candi Kidal. Candi Kidal is located in Malang, East Java. This temple was built in 1249 as a tribute to Anusapati who was killed by Kertajaya in a power struggle. Candi Jago. Candi Jago is located in Malang, East Java. This temple was built around 1268 by order of Kertajaya to commemorate his father Visnuvardhana. This temple is set in the Tantrayana Buddhist culture that is adhered to by Kertajaya. This site was visited later by Hayam Warwick and Aditya Warman.